Hello, my name is Professor Scarlett McNally and I'm a surgeon. I've lived and worked in Eastbourne for the last 20 years. I was lead author for a report called Exercise the Miracle Cure. And this is from the Academy of Medical Royal Colleges, so that's all the medical specialties. And it's collected the evidence for how much exercise improves health. So at moderate intensity, a dose of exercise of 21 minutes a day reduces a person's risk of dementia, depression, diabetes, each by 30%. It's also a major part of treatment for some common conditions. And yet it's very difficult for people to get enough exercise. It needs to fit into people's schedule. So for example, I cycle to work and I cycle home. We need more people to do this. In fact, we need a modal shift of more people converting a road, driving a car, to a bus, cycle or walking journey. That benefits them and their health, and it also benefits society. It's less pollution and less congestion. To get those big benefits, one really needs to do the moderate intensity. So walking isn't quite enough, but it's very good for getting started and if you haven't done much exercise before. So what we need are cycle routes, and I'm here in Eastbourne in Terminus Road. So this is at the Beacon Centre. It's the bit by Marks and Spencer's or Clark's shop, just seeing around here. So this bit is currently a road, and East Sussex County Council are consulting on converting it to a pedestrian area with no traffic. And what would be better is to change it to a two-way cycle route, because the problem is by banning cycling here, you're forcing cyclists onto busier roads, whereas this would be quite nice as a two-way cycle route. There's another section they're consulting on, which is the section behind me here. So that's the part that goes up towards Banker's Corner, and you might be able to see the sign says pedestrian and cycling zone. And that actually works fairly well. Pedestrians and cyclists, there have been no major collisions. So we're urging you to object to the new traffic regulation order. So if you send an email with the email subject line of TRO/456 to the email address TROs, that's plural, TROS, at eastsussex.gov.uk, and say that you object to cycling being banned in Terminus Road. Say that you think it will be more dangerous for cyclists. Say if you ride an electric cycle, if you're disabled, if you want to go to school or work on your bike. Ask your friends and family to do this as well. The critical thing is it's not just about the individual and improving health, it would improve the environment for everybody. I wrote another paper that was published in the BMJ showing that we could reduce the need for social care if people were more active. People who are middle-aged and older who try and get enough exercise have a chance of reducing their need for social care. So this is massive impact on that person, on their families, and then taxation and costs. So to reiterate, this is the area we're talking about. This is from the crash map data. This is the number of collisions of pedestrians who've been seriously or slightly injured by cars over 5 years. There's large numbers of them. Right in the middle, you can see the red line is the part of Terminus Road where traffic may be banned and we'd like a two-way cycle route. And the blue part, where it's currently share with care between pedestrians and cyclists. And just to mention, if more people cycle, there are fewer car collisions because there are fewer cars on the road. A similar map for pedestrians being injured by cyclists only has 3 collisions over the last 5 years, not of such great severity. So we urge you to do something about it. We want better provision for cycling. We want more people to cycle. This is the address, tros@eastsussex.gov.uk, reference TRO/456. So please improve your own health, improve your family's health, improve the environment, reduce pollution. Please do it for Eastbourne or for your children. Thank you.